Hallo, Cymar a Hashif. Falchika Ernit Fichit Saga, Unit 22. In this unit, we'll be talking about a day off and how to say what you were doing.
A day off is la ye. La ye. To say you had a day off, you say va la ye acum. Va la ye acum.
To ask if someone else had a day off, you say ar ol la ye acat. Did you have a day off? Ar ol la ye acat. Ar ol la ye acat.
Or more formally, ar ol la ye acuf. Ar ol la ye acuf.
Ar ol la ye acat yn je.
Va mi is fallaf fat yn la.
Cart a row.
Va mi awns y falla.
And J, yesterday. And J. And J. Ar ol la ye acat and J. Did you have a day off yesterday? Ar ol la ye acat and J. Ar ol la ye acat and J. And the short answer was va, yes, va.
Fat and la. All day. Fat and la. Va mir fallaf fat and la. I was away all day. Va mir fallaf fat and la. Va mir fallaf fat and la.
And the answer to Carchero, where were you, was Aunsavala. In town, Aunsavala. Fami Aunsavala. I was in town. Fami Aunsavala.
Ar ol la ye acuf chulwyn.
Charo la ye hacem itcher.
Va mi se ye awns y fatin.
Glefa, yr oewe fallaf?
Charo, va mi ec yn tŷ fat yn la.
Ar ol la ye acat yn je.
Va, chach mi hyn ag ysanna yn nôl y garain.
Charo. Charo la ye acum. No, I didn't have a day off. Charo. Charo la ye acum. Charo. Charo la ye acum.
Itcher, at all. Itcher. Itcher. Charo. Charo la ye acum itcher. No, I didn't have a day off at all. Charo. Charo la ye acum itcher. Charo. Charo la ye acum itcher.
Ounce of vatting. In the morning. Ounce of vatting. Ounce of vatting. Vamishe ye ounce of vatting. I was off in the morning. Vamishe ye ounce of vatting. Vamishe ye ounce of vatting.
Anul agarin. Over to Arn. Anul agarin. Anul agarin. Chaimi heen agus amma anul agarin. Anne and I went over to Arn. Chaimi heen agus amma anul agarin. Chaimi heen agus amma anul agarin.
In the following situations, people are being asked what they were doing on their day off. Jevau at Yanov. What were you doing? Jeva uet Yanov.
or more formally, Jeva Shiv a Gianov. Jeva Shiv a Gianov?
Row ye fescar.
Va,
Jefa yw Gianif.
va mi a cosioch agus a giasgach.
Jefa o Gianov.
Va mi ye. Va mi ystrecht bengivish.
Jefa se va Gianov Jehunia.
Va mi et banish. Va calum en gile agam y posig.
Fisker. In the afternoon. Fisker. Fisker. A row ye, Fisker. Were you off in the afternoon? A row ye, Fisker. A row ye, Fisker.
And the activities that were mentioned: a giasgach, fishing; a giasgach; a cosioch, walking; a cosioch; and a strape, climbing. A strape.
Va mi ye. I was off. Va mi ye. Va mi ye. And the woman said, Va mi a strape ben Nevis. I was climbing Ben Nevis. Va mi a strape ben Nevis. Va mi a strape ben Nevis.
Jehunia on Friday. Jehunia. Jeva Shiva Gianov, Jehunia. What were you doing on Friday? And the other woman answered, Vamiek Banish. I was at a wedding. Vamiek Banish. Vamiek Banish.
You will also hear Vami ek posig. I was at a wedding. Banish is the wedding reception, while posig refers to marriage and the marriage ceremony.
So the woman said, Vakalam a posig. Callum was getting married. Vakalam a posig. Vakalam a posig.
Here are some other activities for a day off. A shawlug, sailing. A shawlug. A clwch bawl kosher, playing football. A clwch bawl kosher. A brian ricaret, speaking to a friend. A brian ricaret. Or you may simply be ek and tie, at home. Ek and tie.
To ask when a person came or arrived at some place, you say, Kunja hanik shiv. When did you come? Kunja hanik shiv. Kunja hanik shiv.
Kunja hanik shiv.
Hanik mi ek 3 uren.
Jefa se va Gianov.
Va mi ek ne buhen.
Hanik me ek 3 uren. I came at 3 o'clock. Hanik me ek 3 uren. I came at 3 o'clock.
And she said she was ek napuhan, at the shops. Ek napuhan, at the shops.
Kun je hanik siefse?
Ek koik uren.
Va misje is jou ek le oud en je keert.
Dje ha oose y Gianna Vishel.
Va mi gydach a golf coffee.
To add emphasis to shiv, you say shivshe. Shivshe. Just as for me, you say mishe. Mishe. And for oo, oose. Oose.
Kunja hanik shivsha? When did you come? Kunja hanik shivsha?
One other point. Sheen, we or us. The emphatic form is sheenje. Sheenje. Va sheenje ek een trai. We were at the beach. Va sheenje ek een trai. Va sheenje ek een trai.